sip way too much drink. I don't think I can think. I won't tell you no lie.
Hey YouTube, it's TT Logan and I'm back with another video. So today this video is going to be started out a little different. I have my full face and my eyebrows done. And I'm only going to be doing my eyes, my lashes, and my lips on camera. Hopefully you all don't mind that. If you want to see what look I come up with today, just keep on watching. So I'm going to be working out of the Coastal Scents Ultimate 252 eyeshadow palette here. And I'm pretty much just going to be on the blue side over here. So today I'm going to do just a simple smoky navy blue eye. And I'm only going to use between maybe 3 and 4 eyeshadows and 2 to 3 brushes. So this should be very beginner friendly and easy for you to follow along if that's what you want to do. So this palette doesn't really have a transition for me to use. So I'm going to go into the Morphe 35R palette. And I'm going to use this color right here to start off. Oh, and this is a Morphe M412. So from the Coastal Scents palette, I'm going to use this blue shade right here. And we're going to drop that below the brown, and I'm using the same brush. Next shade I'm going to use from this palette is this dark navy blue color here. Same brush. And then just slightly below that shade, down in the crease, you want to start building that color up. And then kind of relax your eye so you can still see where the eyeshadow is going so it doesn't fall down in the fold of your eye. So now taking a Morphe M408 brush and that same shade, I'm going to coat that on both sides of this brush and put that all over your eyelid. Okay, again I'm going to take the same shade on a Morphe M330 and just go back in the crease and blend that. So now I'm going to go into the shade above that matte shade and take this shimmery blue color here. And I'm going to put that on top of the navy blue on the eyelid. So for my inner corner, I'm going to take this Anastasia Beverly Hills single eyeshadow in the color Venice. And it's just a very, very pretty, just aqua blue shimmery shade. And spray some Fix Plus on the eyeshadow and see if we get any difference. Okay, so next I'm just going to go ahead and apply these big Broadway lashes in the style number 101. These are some fairly big eyelashes, but I'm just okay with that. I love big lashes, so it's my cup of tea. To each his own. So the way that I apply my lashes, I put the eyelash glue on, and the kind that I'm using right now is by I Envy. It's the clear strip lash adhesive, and it comes in a little pink tube like this. Okay, I apply the glue, I let it get tacky, and sometimes I'll sit here and blow it, And then I like to take a pair of tweezers. I sit it in the middle of my eyelash first, and then I adhere the outer end and then the inner part. And I do close my eye to do this. So I'm going to let that continue to dry in place, and then once it gets a little tackier, I'm going to go ahead and press it together. So what I've been liking to do lately to press my lashes together, I've been using this little eyelash tool here by Kiss, and it came in a little eyelash kit. So it's like a slanted tweezer, and it is plastic. So what you do is I kind of come in from the side, and I grab my lash and slide over and just press the false lash with my eyelash. And this keeps you from jugging stuff in the eye. So for my lips today, I'm going to use Cocoa by Nika K. 2 Ruby Kisses liquid matte lipsticks, and one is in Aged Rose, the other is in Honey Bunny, and then I'm going to top it off with a little bit of Jouer Maui lip gloss. So I'm going to put Aged Rose around the outer perimeter. Honey Bunny is going in the center. Y'all, I'm telling you, I be living for a new lipstick, matte or glossy. I haven't done like color on my lips in a while because I just been so in love with nude lips. Like, it's just so timeless, and I got so many different, you know, like, you can, I love this stuff, y'all. It's like, I know I say I have coconut oil, but it's like vanilla, like white chocolate or vanilla or something, y'all. So that concludes the end of this makeup look. I hope you all enjoyed. Keep coming back. Keep subscribing. I thank you all so much for even just watching my videos, let alone returning. I thank every one of my subscribers. And also, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And you won't be disappointed. Put on that notification bell so you never miss the upload from me. And everybody, see you on my next video. So y'all let me know if I should do a video on my favorite nude lipstick combos. Like, I have so many lipstick options, y'all, it's ridiculous. And I know women of color, we always searching for the perfect nude lipstick. Well, baby,
I sip way too much drink. I don't think I can think. I won't tell you no lies. This bliss got me so high. I won't try to pretend, 'cause you and I used to be friends.